Dean's Choice 2024 Truck of the Year. Is it going to be this F truck? Let's go for a full walk around and see why I can't get this smile off my face. Front end on the 2023 model. It did cop a lot of flack online. There was a lot of hate on it. In stock form, it does look a little bit funny when you look. It's like anything new on the market. It definitely looks a little bit out there. As soon as you add the lift, wheels and tires though, this thing is one of the best trucks on the market. It's the most powerful truck out of the whole HD series. 500 horsepower with 1627 Newton meters of torque in this high output 2023 model. The front end of this one, it has got the slick as PPF over the whole entire vehicle. It's going to come back for stage 2 and get rid of all this chrome and get that whole murdered out look. But for now, I just wanted to get this thing on front of camera because it looks amazing. We've got the little tremor valance on the front there. That really neatens up that front end. And as you can see, the wheels and tires on this one look amazing. It is one of my favorite combos. This is a 37, 13.5, 18 Toyo MT. One of my favorite tires on the market, super hard to get. We actually do have them in stock at the moment. So if you're chasing that tire, give us a DM below. And then they are wrapped on the Method 305 HDs. These are the 18x9 POS 18 fitment. And we've also gone for the black lip bolts there as well. As you can see with the height of this truck, it has got the 5.5-inch E-Venture kit from Carli Suspension in the US. This is one of the best performing suspension kits in the world, if not the best. With the in-cab adjustability to each 4 shocks, you can preload up the rear shocks when you're towing. It'll adjust 100 times per second, and you can go through Baja mode, road mode, slow off-road. You can do pretty much anything you want, all through the touch system that's just in front of the steering wheel there. We've gone for every single option. The factory kit's got your front shocks, rear shocks, front coils, your adjustable panhard rod, which is going to keep that axle nice and straight the higher you go. It's also got the Carli upgraded radius arms with the limit strap, so you're not going to overextend those shocks and do any damage. And then we've gone for high mount, low mount steering stabilizers. And this one, we also do have the Torsion sway bar. So Performax have converted this vehicle up in Gympie in Queensland, Australia, and they've done the new cross shaft behind the dash. I really rate this new setup. It means that we can run the Torsion sway bar from Carli. So everything in the USA, we can put on this kit now from Performax remanufactured vehicles here, and I don't think you can get any better. This thing is amazing. You can fit 37-inch tires on this new model F truck, believe it or not, in factory form. On the factory wheels, there's a few different modifications to the suspension components. Make sure you get in touch with the specialist. We are the most awarded American truck specialist workshop in Australia. We know what kit's going to fit on your vehicle, what kits to avoid, and really build this truck and the suspension, the wheels, the tires, the whole package to suit your needs, not just what we have on the shelf. So I do have 75 PSI in these Carli long travel airbags under the rear of this F truck. If you've got progressive leaf springs like this one does with the Carli suspension, the Carli long travel airbags are the best on the market. There's no comparison to what these things are. You pay for what you get. These things are the best quality airbags I've ever seen. The long travel, there's about 15 inches of travel in the back of these F trucks with this full progressive leaf spring here as well. As you can see, I've got the Air IQ app on my phone as well. So it's got a dedicated compressor on the chassis, and I can simply preset a bunch of different preload settings on here. If you know what sort of weight you want in those airbags for day-to-day use, if you're towing a trailer, a caravan, a jet ski, for example, you can name all of those different icons at the top of the screen. Simply double tap on them and it'll set the pressures to suit, and you're going to ensure that your ride is the most comfortable it can be from the front seat. You can also link those two airbags together, unlink them and adjust left and right. And I've got 70 PSI, just under 75 PSI in the bags right now. I'll just hold my finger on that and you'll see just how much the rear of this truck's going to go down, all the way down to 0. It's as simple as that. You've got a good 4 or 5 inches of travel there, just between 75 PSI and 5 PSI. You're going to be able to get into the tailgate of this vehicle a lot easier. And guys, just how good does a Platinum F250 look? I personally love the chrome. This one is coming back for a full chrome delete though. What would you choose? Keep the chrome, or delete the chrome? Leave a comment below. I'm keen to see all of your suggestions and what we can do to this thing. I've got one little feature and I want to show you on the back of this one that's super special. At the rear of the vehicle, you've got your tailgate there. You do have your backup camera. It's going to point down. There is another camera that's up on the third brake light, but there's also another camera on this one. It did come to a little bit of a surprise. It's the first one that I've seen on a vehicle. I'll drop down the tailgate, guys. You've got reverse sensors on the back of the tailgate, and you've also got a camera right there. You can run with the tailgate down and still see what's behind you. Have that tailgate down, back up, you're not going to have the worry of snapping your tailgate off. How good's a Platinum though? Guys, pull out your phone, scan the QR code, subscribe to the channel. It's going to help us out. It's going to help you be notified so you don't miss anything. As you can see, standard tailgate camera, that's pretty normal, but what's cool about this one, drop that one down now. Now the camera's over here. You've got the camera on the back of the tailgate. That is pretty damn cool. If you haven't seen the rear of a Super Duty before, it's super easy to get into the tailgate. Simply click that button out there. That's gonna fold down. Simply pull out your handle. That's gonna fold up, and it's gonna make getting into and out of this truck super easy. Even with 5.5 inches of lift, 37-inch tires, it's really, really safe to get in and out of the back of this one. You've also got the added bed steps on the side of this model as well. The 2023 facelift does come with steps in the tailgate as well if you didn't want to go in the effort of doing that. And one of the most hated things on a Chevy 2500 is the bed steps on the side of the bed here. Ford have done it in a slightly smaller way. I really like it. It's actually really, really useful to use these steps and get up and reach inside the cab without the worry of slipping off the tire and doing any damage to yourself or your vehicle. I'm Dean Bleasner, co-founder of Big Dog Builds. We are the most awarded American truck specialist workshop in Australia. If you like this F truck behind me, guys, check this one out here. And to see these things boogieing down the beach, this one here is one to watch as well.